Whoa, I thought turning that switch on would mean flush the toilet or something, man. You never know when you have somebody else do it what's going to happen. You got a sink there.
Nice.
GFI. In case something falls in the sink, doesn't blow the breaker outside. Thanks for helping me lug that sink in and set it up yesterday, Mr. Doug. You do nice work, buddy. That clean plumbing. Never knew he was a turd herder. You know, there's sheep herders and then there's turd herders. I had to turn this toilet tank lid around now because it has a flare of crown molding, but when you put that in the front, the seat won't stay up, man. What a pain in the ass, literally. Go to sit down, fart flops down. But it's all done. Thanks, Mr. Doug. Appreciated that, man. That was our chore yesterday. Just another bathroom thrown in with all the other damn chores. So that's it.